So in this video tutorial, we will learn about how to interface a simple switch with the microcontroller ESP32. Or simply we can see that how we can simulate a switch with the ESP32 microcontroller. So as we know that the Proteus and Tinkercad is not offering any component like ESP32 or some other IoT boards, so for it we have to go for online simulator, and that one is our Vokvi simulator. Okay, this is an online simulator, you don't need to install it, just go and click vokvi.com. okay, and here you can see that you have a lot of options, and here you can see this ESP32. Click on that, and now we got our both windows, that is the circuit window on the right hand side and the coding window on the left hand side. Now this is our Arduino IDE type coding. So okay, what we need to do is to write our own code, but before going towards the coding we need to click on this positive sign or plus sign, and we will take our push button. This is our very simple push button. Now we will take one resistor which is actually used for pull downing effect, okay, or pull as a pull down resistor. This is our switch. We will connect one part with the V-in pin, and we know that on V-in pin there is plus 5 volt. okay, there is plus 5 volt. Maybe in real world if we just use these 5 volt with what is called as the these digital IO pins, maybe it is dangerous, okay, because these pins can tolerate up to 3.8, 3.9 or 4 volts, okay, but here as it is working well, so we are just going. Okay, now we can connect the other end of the switch with the D18 pin of the ESP32. Now what about this resistor? We will connect this resistor with the D18 pin and the other side of the resistor with the ground pin. So this is our simple circuit. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, now we will go towards coding. So here we have declared our serial dot begin 11,520, sorry, it's 11,520 baud rate, okay, and serial dot print hello world, but we are not going to print any sort of thing. Okay, here we will just declare an integer type variable, that is a, and we will use digital read of 18. okay, digital read of 18 is the, you are not supposed to write D18 because D18 is not declared okay, as according to the ESP32 architecture. Okay, and here we will write pin mode. First we will declare it as the input pin. This is necessary that either you are using it for input or output. So here we have declared it as input. So now we can read its status and we can digitally read it. So int a is equal to digital read of 18, and then we will write if a is equal to 1, means that if it is connected with the positive 5 volt or having 1, because 5 volt means 1. So here we will write serial dot println switch is on, switch on. Okay, we will write switch on, and if a is equal to 0, we can write switch off. So switch on and switch off. Now we will run this simulation. Now it says that there is certain error, yeah, because we did not put the semicolon, so these are necessary for every sort of coding, okay, these semicolons. So now we will run it out. Okay, it will take, okay, now it says switch off. Okay, when we'll press the switch, now it is switch on. You can see it is saying switch on. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can use this switch. And we have connected this resistor. Why we have connected this? Because we want that if the switch is not pressed, then we can say it is having 0 on its okay, on its coming port. Okay, so on D18 it must be 0 if the switch is not pressed. So switch off, now switch on, switch off, switch on. When you will press it, it is on. When you will, okay, so okay, so you can see it is, okay, it is like this and this. Okay, in this way you can interface or simulate a switch with ESP32. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.